What's going on, people? This is Brandon with Brandon Reviews, coming at you with the July review for Thread Beast. Yes, I have another box, and yes, this is another back-to-back video because I am extremely behind. So I do apologize, and I hope I haven't left y'all too long without something to work with. So just getting into it, I just had a lot of stuff going on and just couldn't really quite get around to it. So I guess that's how it's been going. Like, I go 2 or 3 months, don't even touch the clothes that I get. I wait for the opportunity to do the video, and then I actually get to wear them. Some of the pieces I have been sharing with the world just because I just really haven't always liked every single piece that I've gotten. Some of them have been questionable for where I live at here in LA, you know, specifically like all red and all like royal blue outfits that I've gotten. That could be problematic. But yes, so let's get into July's box. Let's see what I got. Hopefully I get some drawers in here, but doesn't look like it. Okay, so first off, I think these are pink dolphin slides. And I only know it's pink dolphin just because, yeah, it's pink dolphin. Just because I got a t-shirt that almost choked me to death some months back. I got some little footy socks. Let's see here. I got a t-shirt, a Volcom t-shirt. Has a little Volcom thing on the back. All right, let's see. I got this staple pigeon t-shirt. Okay, staple. And then it has a design on the back. I think that I am a fan of the staple pigeon. I think they're like, I'm starting to see it like more and more in different places, and yeah, I mean, I like it. I can work with them. And here goes a pair of shorts that goes with the slides pretty well. And yeah, these are just some regular shorts. I really like the print on these shorts. They look really cool. So I think just that and the slides, even though they don't necessarily go together perfectly, I think I still, you know, would probably try to rock it together. But I also have clothes and stuff and shoes that I can definitely piece together with it, because none of these t-shirts actually would go with it. I think this will probably be the first box that I can say I probably spent $85 and I got $85. Just thinking about the clothes that I got in this box, I mean, I could definitely feel like this staple pigeon t-shirt could be at least 30. The Volcom, I feel like 20. So this is $50 right here. These shorts are really nice, high quality. So I guess I have to eat my words a little bit, because I'm really feeling like these shorts will probably be like 30, 40 bucks. And let's just say 40 bucks. No, 30 bucks. I'm gonna stick with 40 bucks, 30 bucks. What say you? 40 bucks? Okay, 40 bucks for these shorts. So we're at 90. I mean, socks, $5, so 95. I mean, $25 for the slide, so that's 120. So I guess I could say that it just doesn't really feel like it just because of the t-shirts. But hey, it's you know, it's a decent box. So if you like these videos that I'm putting together for you, by all means, please like the video. Please subscribe to this video so that I can continue bringing you all some really dope content. And then leave a comment if you got questions about Thread Beast and my experience with Thread Beast. I would love to share it with you. Just got to ask the questions. Yeah, so catch you in a minute when I try these clothes on. If you've been curious about Dogecoin, Shiba Inu, or other stocks and cryptocurrencies, you got to jump on it right now. I use Robinhood for most of my stock and crypto transactions, then Crypto.com for all of my other crypto needs. I've made thousands of dollars just by investing a few $100s. You can do the same today. Just follow the links in the description and watch your money grow. You won't regret it. This is definitely why I try these clothes on, because I was really digging these shorts until I put them on. Now I feel like I got my thighs out. I know it probably sounds like I'm just hella picky, but come on, man. Like, this is not my speed. Like, I for real feel like if these were swim trunks, I probably wouldn't trip as much. But these is like Saturday afternoon shorts that they just expect you to be just thighs out in. And I'm just really not, I'm not that evolved, I guess. Yeah, I could just see like a dude with these little ass shorts on, a beater on, and like a gold chain, thinking he just the man out here. But you know, it's just not for me. I don't know. The shirt, super basic. I mean, not really a whole lot I can really say about it. You know, it's a super basic t-shirt. Fits right. I'll keep it. I'll rock it. Just the same as the last t-shirt that was in the last box. You know, it's cool. Ain't really nothing I can say. But these shorts, though, y'all tell me how y'all feel about it. Leave a comment. Let me know. Do you think that these shorts is a little too short or no? You know what I mean? Let me know what y'all think. I really want to know. On to the next t-shirt. All right, so back to Staple Pigeon. You know, I think my assertion about them is right. Like, I do like the brand. So far, so good. With everything that I've gotten through, Staple Pigeon, for the most part, from what I can remember, has always been solid. So, thumbs up on the Staple Pigeon. Not sure about the Daisy Dukes. Let me know what y'all think. And that's gonna be it for the July box for Thread Beast. Like, subscribe, share, comment, do all that good stuff. Would love to hear from you, and I'll respond right back. Deuces. For all of my digital and creative assets, I use Envato Elements to find stock photos, music tracks, web templates, graphic and video templates for all of my various projects. Check it out and take your creativity to the next level. And depending on the project, when I need high quality music tracks for video and audio clients, I always turn to Soundstripe. They have over 100,000 music, video, and special effects tracks to choose from that will take your creative projects to the next level. Sign up today and I promise you'll thank me later. The link will be in the description for both.